Hello and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I want to teach you how to create a Gmail account without phone number verification. It's very simple. We just need a mobile phone and the YouTube app. So I will teach you step by step how to do it, and in 2 minutes you will have a Gmail account made without a phone number verification. So let's start. Let's take our mobile phones and let's go to YouTube app, guys. When you go to the YouTube app, you need to click your avatar in the top right corner. Then you should click this greater than icon in the top right corner, and in the top right corner there will be a plus icon. Just click this plus icon, wait a few seconds, and then you just need to click a create account for myself, enter your first name and last name, click next, enter your birthday and gender, click next, pick your favorite Gmail address and then click next. Then you should enter your password and click next. In the next page, you just need to click the skip button, which is down below in the left corner. Click skip and just click next. You should agree to these rules. Click I agree. Wait a few seconds and your Google account, your Gmail account will be ready, guys, and you can start using it. We made an account without a verification, without entering our mobile number, so it's very simple. Everyone can do it. You just need to have a mobile phone and you just need to have a YouTube account in your mobile phone. So guys, as you can see, we created an account, it's ready, and we can start using this account. That's all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, click the like buttons. Likes are super important for me and for my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.